This is the summary created from the video. Sensor cloud computing. Sensors are becoming increasingly prevalent, detecting environmental and biological parameters, and modern cars may soon have more sensors than mechanical parts, highlighting the proliferation of sensors. Wireless sensor networks capture physical data and digitize it for processing, consisting of low-power, low-cost sensor nodes that aggregate data before transmission, with applications across diverse domains like environment, healthcare, and defense. However, scaling sensor networks and proprietary designs hinder interconnectivity. There is a lack of mechanisms for data sharing between sensor groups, and sensors have limited computational resources and are fixed for specific applications, making it difficult to change them post-deployment. The sensor cloud concept integrates sensors, cloud computing, and the Internet for pervasive real-time applications, enabling large-scale data sharing, cross-organizational collaboration via sensor-rich devices, and supporting the complete sensor data lifecycle from collection to decision support systems. Virtual sensors emulate physical sensors for customized data views, providing location and distribution transparency, and facilitating a many-to-many mapping between virtual and physical sensors to overcome resource constraints on physical sensors. The sensor cloud architecture includes a cloud infrastructure with physical and virtual sensor groups for end-user applications, management of sensor cloud resources, a client portal for provisioning and monitoring, and server processing of client requests by querying virtual and physical sensors. A layered sensor cloud architecture has different wireless sensor providers, a sensor-centric middleware for WSN maintenance and data collection, a virtualization layer for virtual sensor emulation and management, and a user interface layer for interacting with the system. The sensor cloud infrastructure enables virtual sensor group creation, focuses on sensor data and system management, acts as a mediator between user applications and the deployed sensing environment, and leverages ubiquitous sensors collecting data for real-time application support. In summary, the sensor cloud integrates sensors, cloud, and Internet for real-time applications, enabling large-scale data sharing and cross-organizational collaboration, supporting the complete sensor data lifecycle, allowing resource sharing across users and applications via sensor-rich devices, and providing a virtualization mechanism for evolving the sensor cloud for diverse applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.